Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Arrange the following poetry collections by Nissim Ezekiel in chronological order. The exact name: Hymns in Darkness, The Unfinished Man, Latter-day Psalms, A3, 1, 2, 4, B1, 3, 2, 4, C3, 2, 1, 4, D2, 3, 1, 4. The right answer is option A. The Unfinished Man was published in 1960, The Exact Name in 1965, Hymns in Darkness in 1976, and Latter-day Psalms in 1982. Next question. Which collection appeared in 1959? A. A Time to Change, B. 60 Poems, C. The Third, D. The Exact Name. The right answer is option C. The Third was published in 1959. Next question. Which of the following is the correct chronological sequence? A. A Time to Change 60 Poems, The Third, The Unfinished Man, B. 60 Poems, A Time to Change, The Third, The Unfinished Man, C. A Time to Change, The Third, 60 Poems, The Unfinished Man, D. The Third, 60 Poems, A Time to Change, The Unfinished Man. The right answer is option A. A Time to Change appeared in 1952, 60 Poems in 1953, The Third in 1959, and The Unfinished Man in 1960. Next question. Which of the following collections was published immediately before The Exact Name? A. The Third, B. The Unfinished Man, C. Hymns in Darkness, D. Latter-day Psalms. The right answer is option B. The Unfinished Man was published in 1960, followed by The Exact Name in 1965. Next question. In which year was Latter-day Psalms published? A. 1976, B. 1979, C. 1982, D. 1985. The right answer is option C. Latter-day Psalms was published in 1982. Next question. Which work of Nissim Ezekiel received the Sahitya Akademi Award? A. The Unfinished Man, B. The Exact Name, C. Hymns in Darkness, D. Latter-day Psalms. The right answer is option D. Latter-day Psalms received the Sahitya Akademi Award for Poetry in 1983. Next question. Which of the following is the correct relationship between the work and year? A. Hymns in Darkness 1965, B. The Exact Name 1965, C. Latter-day Psalms 1976, D. The Unfinished Man 1959. The right answer is option B. The Exact Name was published in 1965. Next question. Which publication is a collected edition of Ezekiel's poetry covering the period from 1952 to 1988? A. Selected Poems, B. Collected Poems 1952-1988, C. The Complete Indian Poems, D. The Poems of Modern India. The right answer is option B. Collected Poems 1952-1988 brings together Ezekiel's poetry from his major period of poetic production. Next question. Which of the following was founded by Nissim Ezekiel? A. Quest, B. The Criterion, C. The Indian Review, D. The Little Review. The right answer is option A. Ezekiel founded the literary and intellectual journal Quest in 1955. Next question. Which journal did Ezekiel edit in the 1960s? A. Poetry India, B. Indian Literature, C. Quest Review, D. Poetry Quarterly. The right answer is option A. Ezekiel edited Poetry India during 1966-67. Next question. Which of the following works is a play by Nissim Ezekiel? A. Nalini, a comedy, B. The Third, C. The Unfinished Man, D. The Exact Name. The right answer is option A. Nalini, a comedy is one of Ezekiel's dramatic works. Next question. Which of the following is associated with Ezekiel's dramatic writing? A. Marriage Poem, B. Nalini, a comedy, C. Night of the Scorpion, D. Enterprise. The right answer is option B. Nalini, a comedy is a play by Nissim Ezekiel. Next question. Which work is associated with Ezekiel's critical and prose writing? A. The Three Plays, B. Hymns in Darkness, C. 60 Poems, D. Latter-day Psalms. The right answer is option A. The Three Plays belongs to Ezekiel's dramatic and literary output. Next question. Which of the following is not a poetry collection by Nissim Ezekiel? A. A Time to Change, B. The Unfinished Man, C. The Exact Name, D. Nalini, a comedy. The right answer is option D. Nalini, a comedy is a play, whereas the other three are poetry collections. Next question. Which collection is correctly associated with the poem Knight of the Scorpion? A. A Time to Change, B. The exact name, C. Latter-day Psalms, D. Hymns in Darkness. The right answer is option B. Knight of the Scorpion appears in the exact name, published in 1965. Next question. Which collection contains the poem Enterprise? A. The Unfinished Man, B. The exact name, C. Hymns in Darkness, D. Latter-day Psalms. The right answer is option A. Enterprise is one of the major poems associated with The Unfinished Man, published in 1960. Next question. Which of the following correctly identifies the year of publication of The Unfinished Man? A. 1953, B. 1959, C. 1960, D. 1965. The right answer is option C. The Unfinished Man was published in 1960. Next question. Which of the following correctly matches the award with the year? A. Sahitya Akademi Award 1976, B. Sahitya Akademi Award 1983, C. Padma Shri 1983, D. Padma Bhushan 1988. The right answer is option B. Nissim Ezekiel received the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1983 for Latter-day Psalms, and he received the Padma Shri in 1988.